Welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn about if functions, and we will learn this if function with different examples so that you can understand how to use if function in our real life. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel so that you can get regular updates and notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. So let's begin this tutorial. As you can see, if function is a logical function and the syntax of if function is equal to if within first bracket. First one is logical test, comma, value if true, comma, value if false. That means first we'll put a logic, and if the logic test is true, then we can display different value, that is text, number, or the result of any formula. So let's understand this with example. Check whether the student has passed or failed based on the total number. So let's assume the pass number is 350. So Ratan Mandal got 600, Rohit Das 450 and Sanjay Mandal 300. So we will use if function to return pass or fail. If the student get more than or equal to 350, then he will be pass, else he will be fail. So here we will put equal to if this cell is greater than equal to 350, then it will display pass, otherwise fail. As we are using text in the display, we have to put them within the quotation, then bracket close and enter. We can see here the first student Ratan Mandal got pass as a result. Then if we drag the formula down, we can see this student Sanjay Mandal got less than 350. That's why it's displaying fail. Now we'll use nested if function. So what is nested if function? When there is another if formula within the if formula, then that type of function is called nested function, or you can say nested if function. So here in example 2, we can see what is the grade of the student based on grade criteria. So what is the criteria? If a student gets more than equal to 700, then he will get A grade. If the student get more than equal to 600, then he will get B grade. And if the student get more than 500, then he will get C grade. And if the student get more than equal to 400, then he will get D grade, otherwise fail. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 result. So we have to give minimum 4 logic to display the results. So let's try. Equal to if this cell greater than equal to 700, then within quotation A grade. And if the logic is false, then we will start another logic. If this cell greater than equal to 600, comma, then it will be B, comma. If it is false, it will check another logic. If this cell greater than equal to 500, then it will return C. And if the logic returns false, then it will test another logic, that is this cell greater than equal to 400. Then if the logic is true, it will return D as grade, comma, if false. So here we have 4 logic and 5 results. So we have already given the 4 logics and the 4 result, and for the last result we do not need to give any logic, just put fail within quotation, bracket close. So we have to close all the bracket started. So here you can see one bracket, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then press enter. We can see this student got B grade. Now drag the formula down. This student got D grade and this student has got failed as grade. So now we will understand the third example. Here we can see that Ratan Mondal, Rohit Das and Sanjay Mondal had to pay their installment amount, and their installment amount is 500, 5,000, 6,000 and 7,000, and their payment due date is 3rd March 2020, 5th March 2020 and 10th March 2020, and they have paid in these dates, and their payment type is cash, check and visa. The question is charge rupees extra if paid other than cash or check. That means if any student paid his installment through cash or check, he will not be charged rupees 50. And other than that, that means Visa or any other card, then he will be charged with rupees 50. So let's see. Here we have to use if, and we will also AND function within the if function. So equal to if bracket open this cell, and we have to use OR function, or this cell equal to cash, comma, this cell equal to check, bracket close for OR. So if G27 is either cash or check, that's why we have used OR function. If any of the value is true, then it will return true. In that case, he will not charge rupees 50. That's why we will give here 0. Else, if it is neither check nor cash, that means OR function returns false as its result, then 50, bracket close for F, enter. We can see extra charge is 0, and if I drag down, here you can see it is rupees 50 because Sanjay Mondal does not pay his installment amount with cash or check. He used Visa, that's why he is charged with rupees 50. So in this way, you can use the if function in our real life. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any queries regarding this tutorial, you can comment me in the comment section. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you are new to our channel and not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.